Hello, hey, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So, in the last couple of sessions, we have discussed about some important techniques which we can do to get analysis when we are companies moving from one system to another system, that is from ECC system to Suite on HANA system, then from Suite on HANA to S4 HANA system. Okay, where in A to B we have seen it's only changing the database, and wherever we are moving from B to C, they are moving some, they are changing some data models, they have removed some tables, we have seen which tables they have removed, we have seen which tables they have added. So all of those things we have discussed in our, okay, so all of these things we have discussed in our last sessions. Okay, so we also talked about what it means when your company moving from directly from A to C or from B to C. In context, what does it take? Okay. So also we have discussed about what is that we need to do as a developer. We as a developer, what we need to do in our team to find out all the possibilities which may arise when you are moving from one system to another system. Okay. Also, to do S4 HANA readiness check on our S4 HANA system. Once our custom code is available in S4 HANA, you could do these activities. Okay. Also, we have seen in the sequence, we have seen two more important tools through which we can check our code before moving to the HANA S4 HANA system. One is this thing, which were the two tools. First is SCI, SAP Code Inspector, and another is ABAP Test Code Cockpit (ATC). Okay, we have seen the advantages and disadvantages of both of the tools. Okay, these are most important tools, guys. There is SAP Code Inspector, and ATC ABAP Test Cockpit Code. Okay, you can go through my last two videos where you will get this all of the in depth about who are joining from here only. However, we skip the last sessions. Just go there, and they are very important for us. Okay. We also have seen how can we do ATC checks at our SAP GUI levels. Okay. Also, we have seen how we can do ATC check at our ADT web development tool in Eclipse. Okay. Then we worked at some of the demo programs which we have created. Okay, to work on S4 HANA and understand what it makes or what it means for you as a developer when it comes to moving to S4. Okay, and we have seen okay, to work out on S4 and understand what it makes or what it means when you as a developer when it comes for moving to the S4 HANA system. As S4 is a simplified data model with HANA as a database and ABAP on HANA as the technology. We have seen some program also and we have fixed them. Okay, we understood that the uses of simplification database. If I will show you simplification database, guys, we are going to see now. Where is that? Here we have seen what is the use of the simplification database. Okay, just go through the last session. You can see in depth also. Okay, this is what is the simplification data, how to update simplification data, what does it contain, and how then look at the nodes which are attached to each of the simplification databases and fix those issues and do re-execution and of your test. Is this clear, guys? So this was all we have done and we have learned it. Now, with the recent SAP announcement, SAP has released a newer version of custom code adaptation, or so-called S4 HANA Readiness Check. Okay, we are seeing a S4 HANA Readiness Check. Okay, so in the last class, that was the version 1, but it make use of use for the new customers. SAP has also released another version of S4 HANA Readiness Check. Now remember one important point here to note is S4 HANA Readiness Check is a free service. Okay, okay. SAP S4 HANA Readiness Check is a free service by SAP. Okay, which SAP is providing to us. A free service, if you know, remember, if you don't know, no way. But if you know, then SAP is providing free service for you for doing as a readiness check in the system, because SAP also wants to for you so that you could easily move to the next system. Or why SAP is, what is the benefit of SAP in providing all those free services? This because when we are moving from one system move to another system, because as the end user or the client will not easily accept this to change its database, to change directly all the technology to move to the directly S4HANA. So SAP has provided this S4HANA readiness check. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't mean it's not free like this. If you will think that SAP will come to us and they will assign you a consultant to do this work. No, we have to do it. Okay, that's why they have mentioned if you know, all right. If you don't know, that's also all right. You can do. So there is a very important note which I will put here. Okay, and which is once again, okay. Also, I will attach this note also, okay, where you can also do the S4 HANA readiness check 2.0. Okay, S4 HANA readiness check 2.0. Oh, okay. So this is the note we will be using to just have a look at another way. Okay, to have a look on the another way. Okay, another way of doing these checks. So let me show you this note. Give me a moment. Let me open this. Okay. Uh, okay. So this is the note, guys, and also I will upload this note as a part of our training material. You guys can download it and check this in your system. Okay. All right. So this is our material. Okay. So second. Wait, guys, this is another one open. Let me open another one. Wait. All right, guys. Now, if you take this note only, okay. Once again, okay. So this one, which note is a note which is released kind of itself. You can see this is the latest and cutting edge content for all of you. Okay. So it's a very latest content. So as you can see here, and if you just come down, you will find information about the report which you can run in your SAP system after your custom code is moved. You can see here RC collect is okay. RC collect analyzes data. You can see this is the one report. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so this is the first thing user will execute this RC collect analyze data. Okay, we will go to our PPT point. Okay, so this is the one report. Yeah, let's come back here. So it delivers the collect framework of data. This all you can see all those details also over here. Okay, so this is the one report which user will execute. Which one is RC collect analysis data. Okay, please go ahead and run. Also, so you can need to run this report. This only which I just told you RC collect analysis data. This report you need to execute. Okay, so remember your and one more thing, guys. For this release note, your minimum package, sorry, for minimum support pack should be version is 7.0 SP level or 7.40 SP7. Okay. So if there is this is there, then you can run this report which is RC collect and analyze data. Just run this report and this report will generate a zip code. Okay. So this generates a zip file. Now once you generate the zip file and also you can run this report as okay, this one is clear. So once again, if we will go back, I will tell you the important points only from this solution. Okay, this one you can see RG collecting IU data. This we will execute this one report. Then one more thing which is there. Let me go down. One second, guys. Okay, guys. So here you can see this one report is there, which you can run in your background SYCM. Download repository info. Okay, let me also paste it there for your reference. Okay. Uh, okay, let's go back there. Okay. So SYCM download repository info as a background job you can run. Okay. So one more question you guys may think, how can we do these analysis in a sort? In a sort means for the entire system, how can you do? You can use these reports. Like it's not like if you have 10 reports, 100 reports, you will go and do the readiness check for simple or for single report. So this is the way. SCM download repository info report. Use this, run it in background, and then it will generate something known as a zip file. Okay. So once you have got the zip file, so SAP is giving a free application. Yes, you have heard me correct. It's a free application in a cloud launch. This is for S4 HANA Readiness Check. Okay, this is S4 HANA Readiness Check application. And once again, let me give you the URL also for this. One second. Okay, I will attach if I will find. Okay, now this. Something is there. Okay, so RC readiness check. So then we will generate this file from the program, collect analyze data. Which file? RC, and here what does this RC means? RC means readiness check. Okay, so just cross check it working so we can actually run the report in any S4 HANA system where else your question code is just arrived. Okay, run this report. It means where you have to do all these analysis in all this readiness check in your S4 HANA system. Then this will produce a zip file. You download that zip file and go to this app. So I have already, once again, let me open this app terminal. S4 HANA readiness check. Once again, let me open my browser. Give me a moment. Okay, guys. So we are not going in that was app in this session. We will see in the coming up sessions. So this note you can check. I will also test this. Okay, let me go there. This is one note. Okay, it's 291 3617. Okay. Also, you can go through to the 2758146. Okay, I will attach both the notes with this. So these are the S node number, guys. Okay, so you read this note and you can do the analysis quite effectively in your company for once for all by running one report at the system level in a background job. So this is my background job from where you can schedule, and this is my one-to-one. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so I will put this into the my like video material. Okay, in the folder where all of the videos are there, you will get there these both the notes over there. Okay, so in the next session, so here this is all about S4 HANA Readiness Check 2.0, the latest version of readiness check which we can use. Okay, however, the technique which I showed you in previous session is also applicable for all of you. Now, is this clear? So previous techniques are we can also check, and this also S4 readiness check also we can use. Okay, so we will see in the next session what is S4 HANA is capable for. Okay, so let me wind up this session, and thank you so much. Thank you for joining this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.